In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to add a clean outline around text to make it stand out better from the background. Outlines are especially useful when your text appears on top of busy footage. Let's get started. First, create your text using the text tool and place it on the screen. Now, select the text layer on the timeline. Next, go to the Properties panel on the right side. Scroll down until you see the Text Properties section. Here you'll find the Stroke option. To enable stroke to add an outline around the text. Now, choose the stroke color you want. Usually a contrasting color like black or white works best to make the text easier to read. Next, adjust the stroke size to control how thick the outline appears. You'll also see 3 stroke position options. Inner places the outline inside the text edges, outer places the outline outside the text, and center splits the outline across both sides of the text edge. You can choose whichever option looks best depending on your design. Play the video and your text will now appear with a clean outline, making it much easier to read. And that's it. You've successfully added a clean text outline using the stroke option in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.